Now we will discuss on factorization, that is your exercise 6G. So in that exercise also we have to find the factors. So in that case, how to find the factors? See here the highest degree term is x square, the coefficient of that is 4, and here is your 1, so 4 into 1 4. What are the factors of 4? 2 into 2 4, 1 into 4 4. Here plus is given, that means by doing addition you have to get that 5. So 1 plus 4 is 5, that means 4x square 1 plus 4x plus 1, then split this term, 4x square x plus 4x plus 1, then take common. Like this you have to do. Okay, in this 3 into 4 12, 12 means 3 into 4 and 12 into 1, plus is given, we need 13, 12 plus 1 is 13, so 12x plus x plus 4. So if you take the common from these two and from these two, 3x, if you take common from here 3x square and 12x, we can take 3x common, so x and 4. Here we cannot take anything common, so 1 I have taken, then x plus 4, here also x plus 4, here also x plus 4, x plus 4, if you take common you will get 3x plus 1. This c 6 minus 9c minus 27c square, here c, the highest degree term is your 27 c square, and the coefficient is minus 27 or 27 also, you can, your choice, 27 you think, and here is your 6. So from this we can take the 3 common. If I take 3 common, we will get 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 9s are 27, so like this we will get. So now these two we have to multiply, 9 2s are 18. Okay, so 9 2s are 18. What are the factors? 9 2 we can write 6 into 3. Here subtraction is given, that means by doing subtraction we have to get 3. So 6 minus 3, 6 minus 3 is 3 only. So 2, 6 minus 3 c, 9c square, split the term, minus 6 into c minus 6c minus minus plus 3c minus 9c square. So from this you take common 2, then 1 minus 3c, from this you take 3c, then you will get 1 minus 3c. So 1 minus 3c, 1 minus 3c, you will get 2 plus 3c. This is your final factors. Okay, this also 6 z power 6, 21 z power 4, 12 z square. Okay, so here what are the maximum factors we can take common? 6, 21, 12, common factor 3, z power 6, z power 4, z square we can take common. So now if you take common, then you will get this one. After that 2 and 4 8, and here minus is given, by doing subtraction you have to get 7. So 8 into 1 is 7, 8 minus 1 is 7. So like this. At last you will get z square minus 4. So this one again we can split, a square minus b square, so z minus 2, z plus 2. A rectangular parking lot has an area of this one square units. One of its sides are, this is a rectangular plot, and that plot's area is your given 5x square plus 17x plus 6 square units, and you have to find the side, any one side. So which side will match the option, that one will be your answer. So area of a rectangle means length into breadth. So length into breadth means your 5x square 17x plus 6, to the middle term splitting, 5 6 are 30. So 2 into 15 is 30, 3 10s are 30. What we need? 17. 15 plus 2 is 13. Okay, that means 15x plus 2x plus 6. So from this you take 5x common, 5x if you take common it will be x plus 3, 2x plus 6, 2 you take common, x plus 3. So x plus 3, x plus 3, you will get 5x plus 2. So now see the option, 5x plus 6, x plus 2, 5x plus 2, 5x plus 1. This option it is matching with C. So your answer is your C. Complete factorization of this is, you have to find the factors and then you have to match with the options. So here if you take the minus common, then it will be very easy for you, convenient. So minus and b power 5, b cube, b, in all the terms b is there, so that's why b I have taken common. Minus b I have taken common, 12 b power 4, b square minus 1 minus b. So from this 12 into 1, 12. So 12, but here by doing subtraction we have to get 1. 3 4s are 12. So 4 minus 3 we are getting 1. So that means 4b square minus 3b square, same only. Okay, here you see minus b, 2b minus 1, 2b plus 1, 3b square plus 1, but this option is not matching with your answer, I think. Here you will get the your this option, it is matching with your C, this one, minus b, 4b square minus 1, 3b square plus 1, but the main thing is that complete factorization, it is question only, it is mentioned complete factorization, that means your factorization should be completed. But here 4b square minus 1 we can again factorize it, so that means this will not be your option, don't confuse with that. So further we can do the factorization. So if I do the factorization, we will get 2b minus 1, 2b plus 1, 3b square plus 1. So now again after that if you match with the option, it will not matching, but because here minus b in any option, minus b is not there. So if I write this minus to this term, it will be 1 minus 2b. So b into 1 plus 2b, 1 minus 2b, 1 plus 3b, that will be your D option is your correct. The binomial x minus 3 is not a factor of which of the following trinomials? In this case, this x minus 3 is not a factor of which of the following trinomial, that one you have to find. So how will you find that? So in this case, if x minus 3 is a factor, suppose if it is given x minus 3 is a factor, then in that case, if you put x minus 3 equal to 0, then x equal to 3, that means this value of x will satisfy that trinomials. Okay, so suppose if it is in one question, it is given this is one factor, then if you equate to 0 that factor, if you equate to 0, then what value of x we will get, that value will satisfy the trinomials. Okay, so in this case, in binomial x minus 3 is not a factor. So first of all, we let x minus 3 is a factor of a trinomial. The trinomial is f of x. So if we equate to 0, then we will get x equal to 3. That means this value of x, if you put x equal to 3 in the following options, whatever it is option it is given, there if you get x equal to f of x equal to 0, that means that x minus 3 is a factor. If you didn't get the 0, that means it is not a factor. So let's try with one option A. It is given f of x is 2x square minus x minus 15. Put x equal to 3, because in question only your factor is given x minus 3. So put x equal to 3. So if you put x equal to 3 in place of x, 3 square minus 3 minus 15, 9, then 2 9s are 18, minus 3 minus 15, it is 0. Here also if you put x value, here also you will get 0, and this 2 you do by yourself. In whichever option you are not getting f of x is equal to 0, f of 3 is equal to 0, where you are not getting, that will be your option, because in question it is given binomial x minus 3 is not a factor. If it is given a factor, then in this will be your answer and B also will be your answer, but here it is given not a factor. That means in which case you are getting f of 3 is not equal to 0. In which case you are not getting 0, that will be your answer. Okay, so with this your factorization of algebraic expression is completed. Next we will discuss that exponent and powers. Okay, so in this exercise it is easy only, just only 3 formula you have to learn, and how to apply that formula, that one you have to understand it. First of all, while finding the factors, you have to look at the terms, that whether we can put in the form perfect trinomials or whether we can write in the form of a square minus b square. According to that you have to apply the formula.